In this video, I want to show you how SharePoint News works in medium and large organizations, especially where different departments or projects are responsible for sharing updates. News can be created locally by each department and then brought together into a clear, centralized news hub. In SharePoint, news is created on sites. Those sites usually represent departments, divisions, projects, or special areas of responsibility. Each department or project publishes its own news because they're best placed to explain what's happening. Lots of templates are available to help you create your news stories, and the pages are really easy to edit and to make your own. What makes this work at scale is the news web part. When you add it to a page, you can choose where the news comes from, not just on the site you're currently on. You can pull the news from the current site, or all sites connected to a hub, or a specific set of department or project sites. This allows you to create a central news page, or even a full communications hub that automatically rolls up updates from across the organization. Another important choice is how the news looks. The news web part includes several layout options, each suited to a different type of message. Some layouts are practical and work well for regular or operational updates. Others are more visual and designed to draw and keep your attention. So to recap, news can be created by departments or projects where the knowledge sits, and then rolled up centrally without losing local ownership. News can be organized and archived using views, and different layouts help match the presentation to the importance of the message. Used well, SharePoint News becomes a shared communication layer, clear, structured, and easy to scale across the organization. We hope this video has given you a clearer sense of how SharePoint News can work at scale. If you found it useful, please like the video and subscribe for more practical guidance on using SharePoint.